For the first skill in your DeltaMath assignment called Graphing Piecewise Functions, we're going to look at the Evaluate Piecewise Functions Graphically skill. Now, we're going to look down here at the question where it says, find f of -3. Remember, whatever number you have in the parentheses is the input or the x value. So we're looking at the x-axis, and we're going to look at the x value that is -3. So that is actually going to the left, so -1, -2, -3. And now we're going to find the point that is on the graph at this x value. So we're going to go up to the function. That's where the function is, and that is at the y value 4. So then here you're just going to type in 4, submit answer, and that looks good. All right, I'm going to do a couple more. So we have f of 5. I'm going to find the x value of 5, which is here. This time I have to go down to get to the function. There it is. And that y value is -8. Okay, this is asking for when x is 4. So we're going to go to the x-axis. We're going to find 4. We go down to the graph, and what we actually notice is that there is an open circle here. Please remember that an open circle means that it is not equal to that point, or it's not included in our graph. So since this one is not included, we're actually going to press this button that says undefined right here. All right, once again, we're going to look for -6 now on the x-axis. And this time we have to go down. When we go down, this is where we hit the graph, and we go to the right. That's at an y value of -3. Okay, and this will be the last one. I wanted to have an example that looks like this. This is something we have not seen yet. So again, I'm at my x-axis. I'm going to go to the right until I get to the x value of 5. And this time when we go up to the graph, we can see on the line there is an open circle. So it is not equal or included in the graph at this point. But above this graph, there is a separate closed circle. So that means for every single x value, the y value is defined by this line, except this point. So we at x is equal to 5, this function is actually going to equal 6 instead. So just to review that, again, we're still looking for x, the x-axis. In this case, x is 5. So I'm going to go to the right 5 times. And when I go up to the graph, we ignore the line because of the open circle, and instead we find the closed circle, which is at a y value of 6. And there we go. Hope this was helpful.